Hello again. Good evening to all. This is Mike Padua. We're back to our latest Typhoon Karina update. This is for today, Tuesday evening, July 23rd, 2024, English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gaemi. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest fast animation from the weathernerds.org. This is the Himawari 8. As you can see, the eye of Typhoon Karina has now appeared for the past 12 hours, and it's now a full-blown typhoon and approaching Category 3 strength. Currently bringing winds of 175 kph. That's in 1 minute average, gusting up to 215 kph. And as you can see, the rain bands of this storm or this typhoon is still affecting northern Luzon, with on and off to at times continuous moderate to heavy rainfall, with the winds of up to 50 or 60 kph, becoming more stronger in the vicinity of Batanes because they are under wind signal number 2. So expect wind gusts of more than 60 kph over these areas. While here across the rest of Luzon, including MiMaRoPa, parts of Western Visayas, we have still the effects of the southwest monsoon. So we are experiencing on and off rainfall, particularly over the western sections of Luzon, from Ilocos region, Cordillera Administrative Region, as well as the western sections of Central Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon. So in Batangas right now, there are reports of strong winds, probably reaching up to 80 or 90 kph because of this long line of thunderstorms. But after this thunderstorm pass by, it will expect some weakening expected. And here over the Occidental Mindoro area, continuous on and off rainfall will prevail for the next 24 hours, as well as here over the Sulu Archipelago, Palawan, and western sections of the Visayas. Here in the Bicol region, we are also experiencing some on and off rainfall since this morning, but at this time of the night, it's currently quiet, but we expect again some rainfall, occasional rainfall, but it's a little lesser compared to today and yesterday. And for the next few days, as the typhoon moves closer towards northern or north-central Taiwan, the southwest monsoon will start to move farther to the north, and the areas of western Luzon, including Calabarzon, Metro Manila, and MiMaRoPa, will still feel the effects of the monsoon until Thursday or Friday, and then either late Friday or Saturday, some improvement of the weather will be expected. So until the system is still there, the effects of the monsoon will continue. So right now, it has a clear or developing eye, and it's expected to pass over in the vicinity of Hualien or Taipei area. So in between those two counties, and then it will pass across the northwestern part of Taiwan. So here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, UMETSAT, and this is a new beta version wherein they embedded the radar shot or radar animation together with the satellite loops. So this is a experimental product of windy.com. You can see now the system or Karina being captured by the networks of Taiwan radars. Okay, so it can be clearly seen here that the eye is starting to improve as it moves closer towards Taiwan. And the rainfall or the circulation still affecting Batanes, Bubuin Islands, and portions of northern Luzon, most probably the Cagayan Valley. While here, over the western sections of central Luzon, including Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mindoro, will be experiencing on and off to at times continuous rainfall from light to moderate to extreme rainfall. And there will be some gustiness reaching more than 50 kph, 60 or 70. And sometimes when there's a strong squall with a gustnado, it could reach more than 70, 80 or something, around 90. Okay, that's a typical strong monsoon. If we have a very strong monsoon being enhanced by a strong typhoon, so we expect this kind of weather condition. Okay, so most likely this weekend we will be seeing some improvement with the weather across Luzon, but today until Thursday the effects of the southwest monsoon will continue. And here's the wind signal from Pag-asa, and it looks like the northern portions of Ilocos Norte, northern and central portion of Apayao, Cagayan, and eastern northern Isabela, including the Babuy and Cubao Islands, will be under wind signal number 1, where winds of 30 to 60 of up to 63 kilometers per hour, while Batanes is under wind signal number 2, so winds of 63 or 62 kph up to 89 kilometers per hour, 84 will be expected here. So please take all necessary precautions. And here's the track that we created around noontime. So the system is right here, but as we speak, it's currently here as it moves closer towards the north central part of Taiwan, or northern Taiwan to be exact. So it will make landfall around 8 p.m. tomorrow night, Wednesday, and then it will traverse northern Taiwan, emerging over the Taiwan Strait on Thursday, 8 a.m. And these wind speed are now updated. Now, if we take a look at the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, it's now expected to reach wind speeds of up to 220 kph prior to making landfall over northern Taiwan. And then after it make landfall, the wind speed will go down to 205 or 200 kph. So this is a category 4 system. Okay, since 215 and above is category 4 if we are comparing it to a hurricane. So it's really a strong typhoon approaching Taiwan during this time of the month of July. Okay, so it's a typical July track, and the enhancement of the monsoon is just right on time. If we take a look at the all the tracks by these Asian agencies that monitors Karina, it shows here that the highest is the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, since they're using 1 minute average. The rest will be around 80 or 75 to 85 knots. Okay, Pag-asa is now at 150 kph as of 2 p.m. early this afternoon. So that's the scenario. So all folks that are down there in Taiwan, please take all necessary precautions for the passage of this system, expected to make landfall over northeastern part of Taiwan tomorrow evening between 8 to 10 p.m. So take all necessary precautions and be prepared, because this system will dump more than 100 millimeters of rainfall for one day, as well as wind speeds that could in excess of 100 kph in gustiness and it could reach 200 if you're along the coastline of Hualien and Taiwan countries. Okay, so that's the scenario. Here's the all forecast models. It looks like majority is still pointing towards northern Taiwan. Here's the microwave imagery. As you can see, there's already an eye wall on the northern and eastern portion of this image. Okay, so I mean on the northern and eastern portion of this microwave imagery. And if we move this to 183, so there you go. Those black colored convection are very strong, heavy rainfall, high winds. Now let's take a look at the let me change this first to where is it? Okay, I'm gonna show it to you here. It's, IR, and then the shear. So the shear is now relaxed. That's why the system has rapidly intensified into a typhoon, and it would reach category 4. So that's the scenario right now. Here's the oceanic heat content or the tropical cyclone heat potential from RAMBB, or the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. So here's the system right now. It's moving over warm oceanic heat content of around 100 to 150 kilojoules. And then, because of the passage over this warm ocean heat content, we expect the system to rapidly intensify. That's why JTWC is now increasing it from 185 early this afternoon to 220 peak winds this evening, okay, prior to making landfall over northeastern Taiwan. Now, let's take a look at the rain forecast. So, today, this is the scenario. These are moderate to heavy rainfall. Tomorrow morning, still the same. But there is some times that the cloudiness will clear. And then after a few hours, minutes, there's another rain cloud approaching. So, Wednesday is still there as the typhoon makes landfall. Thursday, there might be some improvement, but there is still passing heavy rainfall and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. And then on Friday, it looks like only the Ilocos region will be affected by the monsoon. But there is still some afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms in most parts of Luzon. Okay, and we can say Saturday morning is already improved, but in the afternoon there will be another round of thunderstorm activity since we are still in the rainy or wet season. Now, if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 24 hours, so we expect more than 100 millimeters over Ilocos region, Cordillera Administrative Region, and also over the Zambales area, Bataan, Occidental Mindoro. We expect this kind of rainfall for the next 24 hours, more than 100 millimeters, and high risk of flooding. While the rest of western Luzon, including Calabarzon, okay, we expect rainfall of more than 50 up to 100 millimeters, as well as the rest of Mindoro, Marinduque, Pundok Peninsula of Quezon, Western Panay, Antique included, Romblon, western sections of the Bicol region, and also Naga will also be expecting rain of less than 50 millimeters, okay, or 20, 10. Actually, it's just a passing rainfall on and off, especially late in the afternoon, evening, or early morning. But during the day, there might be some sunshine. Okay, it depends if the system or Karina accelerates towards Taiwan. So most of the rainfall will now be concentrated over the western sections of Luzon, including MiMaRoPa and portions of Western Visayas. Okay, and if we take a look at the wave forecast for the next 3 days, until Thursday or next 2 days, okay? Because on Friday, there might be some weakening of the monsoon already, but until Thursday, we expect wave heights of up to almost 4 millimeters. So this is dangerous to small and medium-sized sea vessels, while the rest of inland waters of the Philippines, will have wave heights of more than 1 meter, just a little bit, 1.1, 1.3. While here, over the East Philippine Sea, facing, provinces of Quezon and Bicol facing the Pacific, will have coastal waters wave heights of up to 1.5 meters, while to the east of northern Luzon, up to 3 meters. Over Batanes, we expect wave heights of 4 or more than 4 meters. So that's the scenario. Very dangerous to sea travel and fishing. So just give it some time to relax. Probably this weekend, we might see some improvement of wave heights. So there you go. That's the latest for this evening of Thursday. And we will return tomorrow, Friday, to give you another day-to-day updates on Typhoon Karina. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Stay safe always. Hashtag WeatherWiser, hashtag TyphoonWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.